What's up guys, in this very video I'm going to guide you on how you can build a mobile game that can work for both Android and iOS with this particular AI tool, which I'm going to simply show you right here in this very video. And I'm going to simply show you the prompt that I use, and you can spread this game out there by publishing this game on this particular app store, which I've already listed in our previous video. Okay, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. So without further ado, let's get into it right away. So this is what I do. I went over to this particular AI tool, which is called ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to give me some game apps. So you can see the games listed out right here. We have basketball game, we have racing games, action game, casual, seasonal, educational game, and skill-based game. Okay, I'm going to simply tell it to create an AI racing game for me. So I'm going to simply give you the prompt. So hit on this, then allow it to load. Then it's going to simply tell you to connect with any app creator. So I'm going to simply tell it to connect with app creator 24. Then hit on this confirm button. So if you open this, you're going to see it is generating the code for us. Okay, you can see right here, this is all the game features. If you come to this section, you're going to see the theme. The theme of this game is going to be blue. All right, you can see the theme of the game as blue, and you're going to see the ID, previous ID is 0. Then the name of the game is racing game, the description, and also the welcome message. Okay, and if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the language of the game. It's going to simply tell you to download the game from here, but we're not going to download the game. So just have to make sure you click on this customize on app creator 24. Just hit on this. If you hit on this, it's going to simply take you to app creator 24, where you have to simply click on this and sign up your account. Okay, you can sign up your account on this very section if you don't have an account. Alright, so you can show that we have car racing right here. Hit on it. Then this is what you're going to simply see: general info. We have the design, we have the section, we have the offices, we have the products, we have the send notification, ads, and statistics, and also download app. Okay, so I'm going to simply guide you on what to do before you even go ahead and download this particular app. Hit on the general info section to customize your app. Okay, so under this section that says name and icon, you're going to see right here the AI has already given us image for this particular game. Okay, you can see right here this is AI generated image, and if you scroll down right here, you have to make sure you copy your AdMob ad unit. All right, make sure you paste it here. Okay, that is the first thing. That is if you want to display AdMob ads on your application or on your game app. Okay, but I'm going to simply show you other ways to monetize on this very platform. All right, so just have to make sure you watch this video carefully down to the very end. When you press that, the next thing you're going to do right now is simply click on this save button. All right, you come to this section and click on OK. You can see right here it is saving and generating the app. Okay, so while the app is generating, there are other things you can simply go ahead and customize, and you can decide to add in-app purchase to your application, but don't add that for now until your app blows up. All right, so just have to make sure you scroll down right here, make sure you leave this privacy policy page empty, okay, because so that they can generate their own. All right, then when you're done with that, hit on the save button. All right, so after saving that, go to the share button. Go to share button, make sure you turn this share button on. Go ahead and customize it. Okay, the link to download your app. Okay, which means you can as well share this link to everybody on your DM, on your WhatsApp, to get people to download and use this game. Okay, because it's a mobile game, people will find it more interesting. Like, they will play the game for so long, right? And they can easily visit the game each time, every single day. Go ahead and save this. After adding that, menu type. Okay, go to menu type. Then you're going to simply decide if you want to go for menu that looks like this, or like this. Okay, so I'm going to simply use this one right here. Okay, then I'm going to simply use the table menu, and also for the style, same general. So for the menu title, I'm going to simply select this one, which is the second one, then click on save button. After adding that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is simply go ahead and add ads to this particular application. All right, then click on this section that says ads. Okay, so on this very section you can monetize AdMob, you can monetize with AppNest, Start.io, Unity Ads, Monetize, Monetag, and lots more. Okay, I normally use Unity Ads, AdMob, Start.io, and also Monetag. Okay, as you can show right here, this is how you can easily add your Monetag. All right, so come to this section right here, click on copy link. The link has been copied. Come back here, this section that says Monetag, this is it here. Then you're gonna simply paste. You can sign up on AdMob, AppNest, Start.io, Unity Ads, Intro, Iron Source app, and Water is okay. But remember, you're not going to be displaying all of these ads in one app so that you will not chase your visitors away. Okay, you just have to make sure you add few ads to your app. Okay? It's going to help your visitors to stay longer with your application and games. All right, click on the save button. Okay, and right now you can easily go ahead and access the application from here by clicking on this download app. Okay, you can see right here the app is ready. Then click on download, click on download again. All right, so the app is ready. Then you have to make sure you rename it. Okay, go ahead and install this. The birthday, all of these things are optional. Okay, then for the preset, allow preset. For the icon only, then go ahead and add, save it. All right, so it has been saved. Then the game is loading. Okay, after adding your details, the game is gonna load. Okay, you can see right here, you're gonna simply click on this start button. Okay, so I decided to remove the sound. Okay, then you can come to this section and click on the play button. And for you to play this game, you just have to make sure you do it like this. It's been long I play the game. I can show right here. Okay, it's basically how this thing works. Okay, and if you want me to make a full video on how to monetize a game app with both AdMob, Start app, and also Unity Ad, if I see your comment, then I'm going to simply make a video about that. Don't forget, I promise you guys that I'm going to simply make a step-by-step tutorial on how to publish your app and game on all the app stores that listed in my previous video. Okay, so for you not to miss it, just go ahead and join us on our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, and also on our Patreon. Okay, so that you don't miss any of my update. And if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated. Share this video to your friends that want to build a game. See you in my next video.